Broccolini with olives and capers. Ingredients. Salt. 4 medium bunches broccolini, 2 to 2-1/4/2 pound. 6 tablespoons. Extra virgin olive oil. 2 teaspoons. Minced garlic. 2 tablespoons. Chopped pitted Kalamata olives. 2 tablespoons. Chopped capers. Freshly ground black pepper. Directions. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil over high heat. Add the broccolini and stir to separate the stems. When the water returns to a boil, adjust the heat to a simmer and cook until crisp tender, 4 to 5 minutes. Drain well. The broccolini may be prepared to this point up to 1 day ahead and refrigerated. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook until softened, about 1 minute, taking care not to let it get any color. Add the olives and capers and cook for 1 minute more. Add the broccolini and toss to coat. If the broccolini was cooked ahead, keep tossing until heated through.